How to automatically translate messenger messages. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial we're showing you how to auto-translate your messenger chats. Language barriers in Facebook Messenger. Ever wanted to chat with someone overseas but worried about not understanding each other? So to automatically translate messenger messages, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Navigate to the individual or group chat where you want auto-translate. Tap on text box for typing messages to bring up your keyboard. Now, find the small settings icon on the top row of your keyboard and tap it. In the keyboard settings, look for Languages and tap on it. Tap on Add Keyboard button at the bottom. Search for the language you want to translate your messages into. Select the one you need, then tap Done to confirm. Now go back to your chat by tapping the back button. Tap the text box again to bring up the keyboard. Look for a menu icon on the keyboard and tap on it. You'll see various options. Find Translate and tap on it. Tap OK in the pop-up. Choose the specific languages for translation. Pick the language you speak and the language you want to translate to. Now type your message in your language. Watch it automatically translate into the chosen language right there in the chat. Once you're happy with your message, tap the Send button. Congratulations! With these simple steps, you can easily automatically translate messenger messages and overcome language barriers and chat with anyone worldwide. Connect with friends, family, and colleagues with ease. And this is how to automatically translate messenger messages. If you have any questions about translate messenger messages, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.